How to promote Docker images across multiple Azure Container Registries in Azure DevOps Pipelines. Introduction. Managing Docker images across multiple environments dev, QA, and prod often means dealing with separate Azure Container Registries, ACRs. A common challenge is deploying the same container image built once in dev across all environments without rebuilding for each ACR. The problem. Your CI pipeline builds Docker images and pushes only to the dev ACR. Your CD pipeline deploys to dev, QA, and prod environments, each tied to distinct ACRs. The deployment fails in QA and prod because those images don't exist in their respective registries. You want to avoid rebuilding Docker images multiple times for each environment. A better approach, image promotion using ACR import. Instead of rebuilding the image for each stage, promote the existing image from dev ACR to QA and prod ACRs by importing it. Key benefits. Single build artifact remains consistent across environments. Avoids rebuild inconsistencies and saves build time. Keeps production registries clean by only promoting tested images. How it works. Build and push the Docker image to the dev ACR in your CI pipeline. In your release pipeline, use the Azure CLI to import that image into QA and prod ACRs. Deploy the image from the respective ACR to Azure App Services for each environment. Sample Azure DevOps Pipeline task. Using the Azure CLI task in your release pipeline, you can import the image like this. Replace variables. $source registry dev ACR name. $target registry QA or prod ACR name. $image name and $tag your Docker image name and tag. Best practices. Tag images clearly with version or commit hashes. Use immutable tags to avoid deploying different images than intended. Keep the production ACR clean, only promoting images after successful testing. Automate the image import step in your release pipeline stages. Summary. Promoting Docker images across multiple ACRs via ACR import is the optimal way to reuse build artifacts for deployments in Azure DevOps. It eliminates redundant builds, ensures consistency, and aligns well with modern CI/CD practices.